Today we will be making this extremely cute and simple button purse, so crochet hooks at the ready and let's get going. To make our button bag, I am going to begin with yellow DK yarn and my 4mm hook. I'm going to slip knot onto my crochet hook and now I'm going to chain 2. So 1 and 2. And into the second chain from hook, so the first chain we made, I'm going to do 8 single crochets. So that's 8 single crochets into the second chain from hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. For round 2, we're going to increase to 16 stitches. So I'm going to do 2 single crochets into every stitch beneath. So into our first stitch, I'm going to do single crochet 1 and 2. Into the second stitch, we're going to do 3 and 4. Into the third stitch, 5 and 6. And then fourth stitch for 7 and 8. The fifth stitch for 9 and 10. The sixth stitch for 11 and 12. The seventh stitch for 13 and 14. And the last stitch for 15 and 16. For round 3, I want to increase to 24 stitches, and to do that I'm going to single crochet in one stitch and then do 2 single crochets in the following stitch 8 times. So into the first stitch I'm going to single crochet 1, and then I'm going to do 2 single crochets in the next stitch for 2 and 3. Then we're going to do 1 single crochet for stitch number 4, and increase in the next stitch for 5 and 6. Single crochet for stitch number 7, and 2 in the next stitch for 8 and 9. Single crochet for 10, increase in the next stitch for 11 and 12. Single crochet for stitch number 13, increase in the next stitch for 14 and 15. Single crochet 16, increase for 17 and 18. Single crochet 19, increase for 20 and 21. Single crochet for 22, and increase for 23 and 24. For row number 4, we want to increase to 32 stitches. So I'm going to do 1 single crochet into 2 stitches, and then I'm going to do 2 single crochets into the following stitch 8 times. So I'm going to single crochet for 1 and 2, and then do an increase in the next stitch for 3 and 4. Single crochet 5 and 6, increase for 7 and 8. Single crochet 9 and 10, increase for 11 and 12. Single crochet 13, 14, increase for 15 and 16. Single crochet 17 and 18, increase in the next 4, 19 and 20. Single crochet 21, 22, increase for 23 and 24. Single crochet 25, 26, increase for 27 and 28, single crochet for 29, 30, and increase for 31 and 32. For row number 5, we want to increase our count to 40 stitches, and in order to do that, we're going to single crochet 3 stitches, and then do 2 single crochets in the following stitch, and we're going to do that 8 times. So single crochet for 1 and 2 and 3, then increase in the next stitch for 4 and 5, single crochet 6 and 7, 8, then increase for 9 and 10, single crochet 11, 12, 13, increase for 14 and 15, single crochet 16, 17, and 18, increase for 19 and 20, single crochet 21 and 22, 23, and increase for 24 and 25, single crochet 26, 27, 28, increase for 29 and 30, then single crochet 31, 32, 33, increase for 34 and 35, then single crochet for 36, 37, 38, and increase for 39 and 40. For row number 6, we're going to increase our stitch count to 48 stitches. So to do that, we're going to do a single crochet in 4 stitches, and then increase in the next stitch, and we're going to do that 8 times. So single crochet for 1 and 2, 3, 4, and increase for 5 and 6, single crochet 7, 8, 9, 10, and increase for 11 and 12, single crochet 13, 13 again, 14, 15, and 16, increase in the next stitch, 16 again, I mustn't have liked the way I did that, 16 again, an increase in the next stitch for 17 and 18, single crochet for 19, 20, 21, 22, an increase for 23 and 24, single crochet 25, 26, 27, 28, increase for 29 and 30, single crochet for 31, 32, 33, 34, increase for 35 and 36, single crochet 37, 38, 39, 40, increase for 41 and 42, then single crochet for 43, 44, 45, 46, and increase for 47 and 48. Now for row number 7, we're going to increase to 56 stitches, and to do that we're going to single crochet in 5 stitches and then do 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and we're going to do that 8 times. So single crochet for 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5, then increase in the next stitch for 6 and 7, single crochet 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, increase for 13 and 14, single crochet 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, an increase for 20 and 21, single crochet 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, an increase for 27 and 28, single crochet 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, increase for 34 and 35, single crochet 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40, increase for 41 and 42, single crochet 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, increase for 48 and 49, and 49, single crochet 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, an increase in the last stitch for 55 and 56. For row number 8, we're going to increase to 64 stitches. So to do that, we're going to single crochet in 6 stitches and then do 2 single crochets in the following stitch 8 times. And this will be our last increase round. So we're going to single crochet for 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, then increase in the next stitch for 7 and 8. Single crochet for 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, increase in the next stitch for 15 and 16, single crochet 17, 18, 19 and 20, 21 and 22, increase in the next stitch for 23 and 24, single crochet for 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30, increase in the next stitch for 31 and 32, single crochet 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, increase in the next stitch for 39 and 40, single crochet for 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, an increase for 47 and 48, single crochet for 49 and 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, increase for 55 and 56, and then single crochet for 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, and then increase in the last stitch for 63 and 64. For row 9, we're going to single crochet around these 64 stitches with no increases, so just one round of single crochet. For row number 10, we are now going to start working in rows. So I'm going to single crochet 32 stitches. And at the end of this row, I'm going to chain 1, turn my work and single crochet back across 32 stitches again. And at the end of this row, we're going to chain 1, turn our work and single crochet back one more time across all them 32 stitches that we've made. And now for the last time, we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're only going to single crochet back across 16 of these stitches. So I'm going to single crochet 16 of the stitches, then I'm going to do a slip stitch in the next stitch, and I can fasten off with this yarn. And now it's time to go away and make another one of these exactly the same so that you have two halves of the purse, and in part 2 I'll show you how to line your purse and sew these parts together.